Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Act Universal UAE and Act Universal India, I, Alok Sharma, welcome you all to this small gathering on this beautiful morning. We are here to celebrate the success of these two little stars, those who have really done us proud. They were one of the students who participated in a contest where we had 162 students from 81 schools and from different 8 countries. So they really done a great job by providing their beautiful poetries. So we are here to celebrate. So first of all, congratulations to both the little kids. Congratulations goes to the teachers and the principal as well, and not to forget parents, because it is a teamwork of parents, teachers, and the school management who provides the this kind of product. What we saw that Arya and Sara both did a great job. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Moving,
sir.
thank you very much. Now, moving on, I would like to just bring it to your notice what we are planning to do in future. So I will just share my PPT. So, Act Universal started back in 2002. Our motto is to keep Indian classical music, folk art form, culture, literature, sports alive, practical, and approachable for the present and future generation through its various chapters. And what are those? We have 4 chapters, including Know India, Natyashala, Act Universal Creative Wing, and Act Universal Games and Sports Wing. Know India does multiple activities like student exchange programs, Know India International Inter-School Quiz Contest, fun and run camp activities in prominent cities of India, India Fest in the name of Bharat Parv. Then we have Natyashala, where we do Prachin Kala Kendra Chandigarh examination in US, India, and UAE, Oman, and Qatar. We also have award ceremony where we give awards to those who have really done great in their fields. There are lecture demonstration series also. Then we come to the Act Universal Creative Wing, where we have Trinity College London examination, speech and drama. We also have Gavel Club for public speaking. And now, surely, I'm going to talk to you about Hindi Book Readers Club, what we are going to start. And we are expecting that 2 students and 1 teacher to participate every week in this series, where we will be having 45 minutes long of a session where children can come and they only read the Hindi books, so that we can provide them what basically our literature has. With this, we have Creative Inc., which does multiple fest, and we'll be coming up with all those. Act Universal Games and Sport Wing is going to bring a cricket tournament also, which will be Act Universal Cup, and it will be done between Indo UAE. So it will be launched in the month of April. These are the few pictures where we had the award ceremony. You see the gentleman here in yellow. He is Padma Vibhushan Pandit Vishmohan Bhattji, known for his Mohan Veena, and Seema Vishwasji, she is known for Bandit Queen, the movie, and other theatrical performances as well. In year 2018, we had awarded to Padma Shri Niranjan Goswami. He's an authority in mime, Indian mime. There's nobody as good as him who does Indian mime. Then we had Nritya Vidushi Srimati Rohini Anand for Bharatnatyam. We had Padma Shri Geeta Mahalik for ODC. Vidwan Dr. Ashwin Mahesh Dalvi for his Surbahar and Sitar. Act Universal started doing online competitions from October 2nd on the occasion of International Non-Violence Day. We had participation from 3 different countries and 23 schools participated, and we had around 46 students. We also had on World Children's Day 2020, we had International Inter-School Storytelling Contest where we had folk tale contests, and there were 5 countries those who had participated, 41 schools from 5 different countries, and each school sent 2 entries, so around 82 entries per day. And this time on Republic Day of India 2021, we had International Inter-School Hindi Poetry Recitation Contest, which was held on 26th and 27th. Because number got so big, 162 students participated, and participating countries were as follows. The number of school participated were 81 and students were 162. This is a glimpse of what we are. And now I will hand over the virtual stage to our principal ma'am, Sheila ma'am, to address the gathering and let us have some words from her.
Dr. Alok, did I miss out something? You were not audible later part.
Oh, okay. I just said that now we'll be asking you to actually address the gathering.
Sorry. I think I missed out the later part. Dr. Alok, happy morning to you once again, and all to the others who are present here. I'm really, I'm really so impressed. I should say, I'm sure all the others too. Looking at the plethora of events that you're conducting for students and schools. And the good thing is that you are giving an opportunity to different schools to come together, students to interact with each other, share their talent, and appreciate their achievements, and also give them more scope for improvement. This is actually fantastic. Personally, I didn't know that there's so much going on, and you said it's been going on for so many years, and it's really so good. And to you all students, Arya and Sarah, we feel so proud of what you have done. All the students who participated, and then you must have had an edge with your presentation, with your skills. And congratulations to you. And not only what you presented, students, I also got to listen to what you had to say as a part of later when you were asked to express your views after the awards were announced. And I really like the presence of mind, how you all expressed. One is thanking for the achievement. Another, when you said that it's not about winning, but participate and giving the best. At your age, when you have these thoughts that, it's about participating, getting involved, trying your best, and it's not just about failure, but that look at failures as a reason to work more and go towards further achievement. I really liked your thought process, both Arya and Sarah, the way you all presented.
Thank
It
you,
was lovely, and to the parents, of course, for all the effort, and to Anu ma'am and Bhavna ma'am for continuously pushing the Hindi department to excel. I have seen them performing over the years, the way they ensure that the students are encouraged to, especially in the anything related to Hindi. So keeping alive the tradition, the culture, the values of the Hindi language, as well as everything that evolves around this aspect of Indian culture and tradition. Hats off to both of y'all. So that's it from my side. Dr. Alok, thank you for providing the school this opportunity, and thank you for all that you are doing to bring out all these values and culture of the India to the outside world, and giving schools and students an opportunity. I somehow, out of all those areas that you mentioned, something that caught my attention immediately, what you mentioned about Natya Shala. I I would obviously like to explore this further and to give opportunities for our students with your expertise. Thank you
Sure.
so much.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am. I would like to ask teachers if they would like to share anything. Anu ma'am and
जी
Bhavna ma'am.
आलोक सर, आपके साथ हमारा परिचय बहुत पुराना है। हमारे स्कूल में आप कई बार निर्णायक के रूप में भी उपस्थित रहे हैं और अब इस अथक चेष्टा ट्रस्ट के द्वारा भी आपके साथ और बच्चों के साथ आपका मिलना जुलना फिर से जारी रहेगा। और सर, आपने बच्चों की प्रतिभाओं को उभारने के लिए और भारतीय संस्कृति के विकास के लिए अथक चेष्टा के माध्यम से जो प्रयास किया है सर, वो बहुत ही सराहनीय है। और हमारी मंगल कामना है कि आप इसी प्रकार निरंतर गतिशील रहें और इसी प्रकार के और अवसर बच्चों को प्रदान करते रहें। तो हमारी मंगल कामनाएं हैं आपके ट्रस्ट के लिए।
धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। भावना मैम, इफ यू वुड लाइक टू शेयर समथिंग।
जी बिल्कुल सर। मैंने प्रतियोगिता देखी, इतने सारे बच्चों को एक मंच पर लाना और प्रतियोगिता को इतने अच्छे से आयोजित कराना बहुत बहुत बड़ी बात है सर। इतने सारे स्टूडेंट, वो भी आजकल ऑनलाइन के टाइम पे, जब आप एक दूसरे से फेस टू फेस नहीं मिल सकते, कितने सवाल थे, कितने जवाब थे और कितने धैर्य के साथ आपने उन सबका जवाब दिया, आपने वो आयोजन, सर बहुत बड़ी बात है। उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। हमारे बच्चों को जो आपने प्रोत्साहन दिया, जो उन्हें एक मौका दिया, विश्व स्तर पर आकर एक दूसरे के साथ बोलना, एक दूसरे के बारे में जानना बहुत बड़ी बात है सर। इतना अच्छा मंच मिलना बार बार नहीं मिलता सर, बहुत अच्छी बात है। थैंक यू सो मच। और मैं आगे भी चाहूंगी कि आपके इस आयोजन में हम भाग लें। और जो आपका सर वो नाट्यशाला था, जैसा मैम ने कहा, उसमें मैं बहुत इंटरेस्टेड हूँ, मैं आगे जानना चाहूंगी और वो ले देंगे हिंदी कहानियां और हिंदी किताबें, और उसमें भी मेरी बहुत रुचि है सर। तो मैं जानना चाहूंगी उन दोनों के बारे में भी आगे। और आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। हम आगे भी जरूर भाग लेंगे सर। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you very much. Thank you everyone for your kind words. Can we quickly go to our young leaders and their parents? I'll start with Arya and then followed by Sarah. Arya, if you would like to say something, and your mama.
Yeah, sure. Good morning to all here, and I think it's a great achievement for me as it was an international competition and there were many students, as Alok sir told before, and it was a great learning experience. It was not just an achievement, but it was an enriching and a great learning experience. I learned a lot from each and every student, how they expressed, even later after they narrated or recited their poems, and even when they were reciting their poems. And I would like to thank Miss Sheila, Miss Ajita, and especially Miss Bhavna and Miss Anu for supporting me and for guiding me. It's because of their immense support I've come here and I've bagged the second position. So thank you once again, and I'm looking forward to such great opportunities. Thank you.
Thank you, Arya. Can we hear from your mama also? Very well spoken.
Thank you.
First of all, a very good morning to all of you. And thank you, Alok sir, for conducting such a wonderful program and giving opportunity to our children. Thank you, Sheila ma'am, for all the time supporting children, encouraging them, and Hindi department, Anu ma'am, Bhavna ma'am, by showing confidence in Arya itself was a big thing, and giving her an opportunity to display her skills. So I'm just being thankful and grateful for, I mean, she's very lucky to have such a wonderful set of teachers around her who are providing her with such great opportunities. I would say that Arya winning was a beautiful synergy of the efforts taken by the teachers, by Arya, and of course, the person who has conducted this entire event. So, again, thank you to each one of you, and all the best to you also, Sarah. You also did a great job. I heard you narrating the poem. And thank you very much once again. We are looking forward for such wonderful opportunities in future. I definitely would like to go through the other areas that ACT is venturing out in. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Can we quickly go to Sarah? Sarah, you need to unmute there.
Sir, first of all, I would like to thank you, my principal, Bhavna ma'am and Anu ma'am, because they supported me the most. They motivated me for going ahead with this. They added my speech with harder words, and they really helped me get through this. Well, I had the hope of winning, but even if I didn't win, I didn't feel at all, because I got the chance of participating between so many schools, like literally 162 students. That was an amazing opportunity for me. I just got so impressed by that. Thank you, all the teachers. And Arya, your performance was amazing.
How
Thank
sweet
you.
is that?
And
How
yours was
sweet
also
is
really nice.
Thank you.
this is the spirit. So we can see that world is in a safer hands because these kids, they have, in this age only, they have such beautiful thoughts. Amazing, amazing. And school, thank you very much for doing such a great job by giving them such great values. Sarah, can you ask your mama also to please say a few words?
गुड मॉर्निंग प्रिंसिपल सर एंड भावना मैम। जैसे कि ये हिंदी का है तो मैं चाहूंगी कि मैं हिंदी में ही बात करूं। मुझे ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल लगेगा कि मैं हिंदी में ही आप लोग से बात करूं, क्योंकि इंग्लिश तो हम हमेशा ही बोलते हैं, लेकिन ऐसा बहुत कम। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ इस चीज से कि आप लोगों ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया और हर जगह हमेशा इस चीज में प्रिंसिपल और एम्बेसडर की टीचर्स बहुत सपोर्टिव रहते हैं। हमेशा वो लोग सारा को सपोर्ट करते हैं, आगे करते हैं, मोटिवेट करते हैं। इसके लिए मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ आप लोग की। और ये प्लेटफॉर्म बहुत अच्छा था, इसको बहुत सीखने को मिला। मेन हिंदी के इंडियन बच्चों ने बहुत ही अच्छा परफॉर्म किया और इससे बहुत मोटिवेट हुई है कि आगे वो और अच्छा करेगी। और मैं चाहूंगी कि इसे आगे भी मौका मिले ऐसे बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म पे परफॉर्म करने का, तो इसके लिए बहुत बहुत थैंक्स। थैंक यू।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मैम। और बिल्कुल आपने सही कहा कि हम कोशिश करेंगे कि और नए प्रोग्राम्स लेकर आएं जिससे बच्चे और भी ज्यादा भाग ले सकें। आपकी सूचना के लिए मैं बता दूं कि आर्या, क्योंकि वो दूसरे स्थान पर आई है, तो उसको 4 महीने की फ्री को क्या कहते हैं मैं भूल गया हूँ, तो फ्री मेंबरशिप शी इज गेटिंग फॉर at Act Universal Gavel Club, which runs on Friday. So it will be starting somewhere in the month of this month itself. But if she has exams, she can always choose to join from April 1st. And that membership will be for 4 months, and that is absolutely free because we will be paying on her behalf to the TMI, and whatever certificate she gets, if she finishes her 10 speeches, she'll be getting certificate from Toastmaster International, which is a well recognized institution running in 146 countries. So she'll be getting that kind of acknowledgement, but it does take a little longer time to present, but we are happy to provide. And because Sarah, though she could not come in that particular thing, but her thoughts made me move for so much that I am happily giving her membership of 2 months, and I shall be paying her fees for that. So Sarah, just because that you have such beautiful thoughts and you actually made us learn so much, that what a dignified way to take that. Yes, sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. You taught me a lot, so I am thankful to you, and I am feeling enriched that I am in a company of people like you, those who can really change the world. Thank you very much for your thoughts. So you get 2 months free membership, which we don't give it to even consolation prize winners, but your thoughts made me do this. So you have earned yourself 2 months of membership. I'm sorry.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure, Betty, my pleasure. It's indeed my pleasure. Thank you. With this, last thoughts by the principal, and then we'll just call it off.
Thank you so much. It was wonderful listening to all of you. And thank you, Dr. Alok. And we look forward to more association with you. It was wonderful having you in school. There's so much learning that happens every time you are here. And, I'm sure, the school feels great that you have an association with us. And thank you for this gesture, giving the students this opportunity to learn further. And even that extra kindness that you showed, obviously because Sarah deserves it. And we are very, very thankful to you, because these small steps really makes a difference in the life of a child. So once again, thank you, and we look forward to more association. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. With this, we come to the end of the meeting. I thank Principal Ma'am for taking time from her busy schedule, teachers, parents, and my children. I would not call now. You are not only ambassador children, you are my children, because you are coming to my club. Okay, so we are all one big family. You'll get to see multiple school children coming there. And ma'am, I have just a request that we will be starting a book club, which is Hindi book club. So I will be needing 2 students, one from grade 5 and one from grade 6. And this will be called Sahitya Anushilan. They'll just be coming for 45 minutes, and we'll be reading for them Premchand and other good literature, whatever is available. It will be only in Hindi, so that we can show that we have such rich literature available. If you kindly permit, I will definitely contact Anu ma'am and then make it possible.
Yes, sure.
Please go ahead. We are very happy to, I think both Anu and Bhavna can coordinate and take this ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
So with this, we call the meeting off, and thank you very much once again on behalf of ACT University.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear.
Have a good day. Stay safe, everyone.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you, teachers. Thank you very much to make it possible. भावना मैम अब आपसे और अनु मैम से कांटेक्ट करेंगे, और 2 बच्चे भी अगर आएंगे तो 2 बच्चे मिलकर भी अगर हम कुछ इस तरह का कर पाए कि बच्चे साहित्य की तरफ जुड़ पाए तो अच्छा रहेगा. Okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.